There's something special about life in the Maine countryside. The quiet mornings, the open skies, and the feeling that there's room to breathe. And here in Mount Vernon, this 66-acre family estate captures all of that and more. Welcome to a property where country elegance meets family harmony. A peaceful two-home estate surrounded by open fields, rolling hills, and wooded trails. Whether you're dreaming of multi-generational living, a hobby farm, or a private retreat, this place was designed for connection, creativity, and the good life. As we drive up, you can feel the serenity settle in. Lush pastures, meandering stone walls, and that classic New England charm everywhere you look. The property is a dream for anyone who loves the outdoors or animals, featuring horse shelters, a riding arena, fenced paddocks, and thriving gardens. There's space to grow your own food, raise animals, or simply sit back and take in the views of the surrounding hills. Each home has its own character and warmth. The main residence offers bright, open living spaces with timeless country finishes. Think wood accents, big windows, and cozy gathering areas for family and friends. Just across the way, the second home makes the perfect guest house, in-law residence, or even a rental opportunity. It's all about flexibility and freedom, a rare chance to have loved ones nearby while maintaining privacy and comfort for everyone. And while this property feels worlds away, you're just minutes from Kents Hill School, the village of Mount Vernon, and beautiful local lakes for swimming, boating, or fishing. Augusta is just a short drive, so you're never far from shopping or dining, even though it feels like you've escaped to your own private world. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle rooted in nature and community. Whether you're tending to horses at sunrise, hiking your own trails, or gathering around a bonfire under the stars, every moment here reminds you what country living in Maine is all about. Come see this Mount Vernon gem for yourself, a truly special property where family, nature, and timeless New England charm come together in perfect harmony.